So tell us a little bit about Gun, Hamin Gun, one of the first people that you met.
Yes, when I first met Kwan, and it had an enormous impact. We were asked to go and visit this young blind man to see if we could help him. And when I actually arrived at Kwan's home, and it's just a tiny little hut up in past Hua Bin in the countryside, and I actually thought there was an old man in the corner, and I thought, oh, his grandfather lives here. And when they said we'd like to introduce Kwan, I was truly shocked that this young man was only 18 years old, and speaking to Kwan's mum, and she was quite upset, and she was very concerned about their future and their survival and what would happen to him. And what made me so determined was I related to Kwan's mum, and you know, they live miles away, and we had no way of letting them know that we were coming. So I just appeared, you know, and there's like rice fields all around, and so most of them had never seen a blonde before, and so you can imagine how we just appeared from nowhere. And and I said to his mum that, you know, that I wanted to help him, and I was quite amazed at how brave she was to say that yes, we could take him to Hanoi if I could find a way to help him. And that really impacted me, and I just, you know, even when it was really difficult to get any answers, I just kept thinking that if I was his mother, you know, and if it was my child, and somebody had the resources, you know, to help my child, then I really would want them to.
That's right, that's right. It's the mother instinct inside of you that talks.
Yes, yes.
So how, in your opinion, in your opinion, has education changed Gun's life?
Kwan now has a life. You know, when I met Kwan, one of the things that bothered me was, you know, having sons the same age who were busy and noisy and going out with friends and, you know, studying and things like that. I just kept thinking, he doesn't have a life. You know, there's this amazing young man and he just doesn't have a life. Well, Kwan has a life. He's, you know, and he has a great sense of humor, and he's achieving things, and he's got a great circle of friends, and, you know, he has great days, he has tough days, but he has a life.